Hello friends, in this video I will teach you how to paint a human miniature. You can also refer the previous tutorial on how to print this human miniature and next tutorial on how to coat this painted miniature using varnish. To know more about this video, keep watching. Friends, you need an acrylic paint set, thin paint brushes, some water and a mixing plate, also that miniature. And you can find those links in description. Friends, I like to say that in this video I have given a very basic detail on how to paint a human miniature. But in upcoming videos I will post a clear video on how to paint this miniature. To know more about the upcoming video, subscribe my channel. Friends, collect some white, yellow, red and dark blue colors in the plate. What I am trying to make in this video is to make a skin light brown color. Friends, after taking blue color, wash it in water. Now mix white and yellow color to bring a light yellow. Add some red color to it and bring a skin sandal color, which means flesh tint color. Now take some colors separately and add dark blue in very little amount to bring a skin brown color. Friends, I felt uncomfortable to paint this miniature by taking camera, so I will show a demo and skip this painting. And this is how it looks after painting. Friends, take a toothpick with thin edge or a thin brush. Now it's time to paint eyes with white color. For now I am using toothpick, but it's better to use a paintbrush. After painting white color on eyes, you can find some white coming to the brown layer, so you can take some brown paint and cover that white spots. Take some black color to mark the pupil. Make sure that you don't paint it like a oval because it looks staring and ugly. Make it a U shape or make it like two brackets enclosed. Don't think that you will get this correct by painting at first time. It took 10 to 20 times to paint this eye pupil in beginning. If you get this incorrect, don't worry to clean the whole face and paint again from the first. So it's better to paint eye pupil at first and skin color at the last. Now let's give shade to the face and eyelids. Mix brown and black color to get dark skin brown. Paint them as shown in the diagram. These colors won't be noticeable, but it will give a realistic finishing effect. I'm just painting them in rough to take this camera recording. and after painting the miniature you can see how it looks. Have a look at that dark brown shades in eyelids and face. I have painted this miniature from first. I have also made a miniature and painted it. Also, I have painted this specs. To know how I painted this specs, see the description. Friends, you have came to the end of this video. You can see the previous video on how to print a human miniature and next video on how to coat this painted miniature. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.